This question says two forces F1 equal to 1 Newton and F2 equal to 2 Newton act along the line x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is y-axis. So x equal to 0, what does it mean? Implies y-axis, right? So F1 is acting along y-axis, so F1 can be represented as 1 into j. Now y equal to 0 is what is x-axis, and F2 is acting along x-axis, so I can write F2 equal to 2 into I. So the net force would be equal to F1 plus F2. So that is equal to F1 is J plus 2I, or the answer would be F equal to 2I plus J. So from the given options, the answer is option D. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.